Students, we would be discussing this question and its solution. The question says the equation x square plus 2x plus 2 is equals to 0 has roots alpha and beta. The value of alpha raised to the power 15 plus beta raised to the power 15 is 512, 256, minus 512 or minus 256. Now let us move to the solution part. Remember, we have the equation x square plus 2x plus 2. So if you calculate the determinant, it would be negative. So it has imaginary roots. So or the answer is fourth, which is minus 256. Now looking up on the solution, it says that x square plus 2x plus 2 can be written as x plus 1 ka whole square, which is equals to they have calculated the value of x, which comes to be minus 1 plus minus iota. So one root is minus 1 plus iota and the second root is minus 1 minus iota. Now we have to calculate alpha 15 plus beta 15. So here, as you can see, they have written it in this format. Now you can do one more thing, that you can take away the root, you can square it, and you can write this expression as alpha square whole power 7 into alpha plus beta square whole power 7 beta. So this would make it bit easy, or otherwise you can also understand the solution. It's not that complex. So directly they have written in this format, and by putting on the values, it comes out to be root 2 power 15. It is misprinted, and this here. So you know this come out to be 128 root 2, and this value, if you calculate 2 cos 45 pi by 4, it would come out to be minus root 2. And when these both are multiplied, it come out to be minus 256. It's a bit lengthy question. I can't explain whole in short span of time. So I hope everybody got this solution. Answer is fourth.